For this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix your airplane mode not turning off in Windows 10 or 11. Some laptops or PC have switches to turn on and off the network. Try to locate them and press it. Also, some laptops and PC's airplane mode can be turned on and off by clicking Function key plus print screen. But then, after doing all of this and still the error persists, what you need to do is to go to search bar and search for services, then open it. Here, navigate to the radio management service, right click on it, and select properties. After that, go to status type, then set into automatic, then click apply and OK. If it doesn't work again, go to search bar and search for device manager, then open it. Expand the network adapters and choose your Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it, select properties and go to power management tab and check the allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. Then click OK. And now your problem must be fixed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.